Camcorder. That was a camcorder. Children have a race. Dad made a video. Smile everyone, said Dad. Dad went to the sports day. He took the camcorder. He made a video of Grandma with Joe's wedding. Dad took the camcorder. He made a video of the wedding. Sweet kid! Was Mom and Dad's anniversary. Grandma wanted to make a video. Daddy showed Grandma the camcorder. It's easy, he said. Grandma made a video. My place that worth
is
it's easy, she said. My place that worth the children watched the race. They saw the sports day. They looked at Joe's wedding. They laughed at Grandma's video. They went to the treehouse. Grandma wanted to make a video. Dad let her use the camcorder. Grandma made the video. She saw two men. They were burglars. Go on! Joe! Joe! The burglars were running away. Mama made a video of them. Called the police. She said, Dad got the phone. He phoned the police. Mama got burglars on video. The police came. They looked at the video. Well done, they said. The police caught the burglars. Thanks to Irma, said that the end.